How to fix AliExpress locked account. Now, there are a lot of factors, or it usually happens why your account being locked on AliExpress is because maybe for some unusual events, or maybe for some multiple amount of attempts that you're trying to enter your username or maybe your password, or maybe it was just locked without any reason. Now, the very first troubleshooting step that you will do is, of course, go ahead to aliexpress.com's official site and then just simply open up any application that you have on your phone if you're using your mobile device. And what you want to do is head to the welcome page and hit on sign in. And here, head directly to trouble signing in, and then this is where you'll have two options. Try resetting your password and try to find your account. Now, resetting your password is going to be sending you out email addresses to the account associated with your AliExpress account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts for you to be able to successfully try to attempt and reset your password. Now, if this method does not work, then just head directly to the very bottom part of the page and head over directly to the Help Center. Now, click on Help Center under Customer Service, and then you will be redirected to their support. So you can no longer chat with the AliExpress chatbot because it needs to go ahead and log you into your account. What you want to do is just go to account management, go to more questions, and then in here, what you want to do next is how can I find my account, or I cannot sign in or log into my account. Now choose any specific login method you prefer and then just simply hit on submit. Next page is going to be asking your credentials like your username or maybe the mobile number that you use to log into AliExpress. And those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix your account being locked in AliExpress.